beer. I'm tell the people them systematic. I got left from me, bro. Because of beer destruction and damage I bring towards my life, bro. Me know deep down so we never have a man problem. Yeah, I tell people say, me take back baby father. Me you know me and guest in a no family relationship, we're not sexually active together, bro. Me you know this. You talk to my baby father on phone. When my baby father bring money come give me and look for deer out the gate, I split the money in half and give, bro. Your ear look bigger, bro. So why you try to make it look like say, what? She been fucking on him. You give this girl a whole history about me, bro. It's like you're letting a whole stranger, bro. Bro, remember the time me so hungry, bro. I could have bring you down, Matty. I mean, never bring you down. I'm hold it, bro, and come off for the media, bro. I hold it down. I'm come off for the media, bro. True from me left, I just say, you know, I'm gonna leg of the media. I'm gonna come back on TikTok, Matty. And you know this. And you make me not come back on TikTok, and you make me not go back on Instagram live, because I don't want nobody comment and say, what happened to you and Matty? I don't explain nothing. And between me and the blood clot dog. And between me and the dog, bro. When I take the picture with guests, bro, and you must send the picture, bro. And you send the picture to the girl. And then I play it off at about. Tell me where you think I got the picture from. How you must send the picture, bro? When me last have sex and the dildo give me a little scratch for my vagina area, right? To say you buy the cream. You go back and tell all the girls say you buy the cream, bro. Suppose that AIDS me did have. Suppose that herpes or one of them something me did have. Me that shame. I couldn't even come back here to come laugh with nobody or talk to nobody. Because I that feel away in myself. You shouldn't do that, bro. And that hurt me. Because it's like say, people are saying, them is not friends, them is not family. We are not friends, we are not family, but this girl is a girl who always on my life. I talk to her in my box. We laugh up together and whatever. And for she say, you force yourself in a relationship where you really love sit together. You force up yourself in it, and then you want to turn on for call immigration for me. Matika set me from this, how the pastor man see me, and this how the pastor man talk about a dear christening when they did dead. I would think say that person there. It wasn't that person there, you, bro. And you, Matik, dog. And then when they on the media, I make it look like, say, oh, Twep Twep jealous because our mate. One girl take away Matty. Nobody not take you away from me. And me left you, bro. And me stop talk to you. I stop talk to you because you're not cheer for me. Whenever I get through with certain things, you're not happy. You give me things and you talk about it. You've been talking about me with people and I hear back. If me and somebody have something on the media, you don't defend me. Your mouth just light. You just always when me cuss you thought the worst set of things. And I just clap back on you. You know? It's like that's the only thing me left for, bro. Me ain't left because I'm a man or you go catch with a man or whatever. You cannot hate somebody where you don't have a beef with. So when you come here, so I have to tell people, say, oh, she go back to her baby father. I call you with him and ask him, I say, Matty, why you walk and tell people, say, me you left because I go to my baby father? Oh, I never tell nobody that. I never tell them, Matty, I'm going to tell you the real truth about you now, G. You don't know if you do relationship thing. Cause you're one. You could have gone for that look at me, you know. And you don't make sure you know nothing about you. You don't make sure you know your hand back, your neck back, your foot back, your heel side. And you just go and clutch. But you have a thing like this because they like to talk. You're the only person who knows say the food stamp cut because of HRA and DHS. You know why it cut because of the pay stub when I give them. Them say me I get too much money so them cannot give me food stamp for me. Them can only give me it for the baby. I don't know if I figure them, you tell her we're wrong, but you and me know so I get not $30, I must not $60. I get $200 for the baby alone. You know me used to get $400 for food stamp plus cash assistance. Matic, you alone know them things here. You have my baby social, bro. Yo, I'm salt your fuck. You just come like say that. People that feel like some vex rheumatic move and I'm not vex dog. I just vex at home to deal with the situation, bro. I shouldn't betray my dog. I'll never betray dog. We could have moved on and call it a day, bro. Mati may could have moved on and we'll call it a day. We never dare move on in a war. We never dare move on in a I'm not gonna stop talking about this. You know, I'm not gonna stop talking about this because you know them little things hurt me, bro.